Here's this week's MouseBlocker Minute.
Hey, Rick, thanks for joining us out here today, man. We appreciate you taking some time. We've been working with MouseBlocker for a long time, but it's really cool to have you on here to give a real-life story about how it worked for you.
I inherited my parents' minivan, but the mice got into it, and it cost $2,800 to fix the anti-lock brakes. Well, meanwhile, my 2007 Tundra got a mouse in it, and I'm like, oh no. And I have a friend, he told me about MouseBlocker. Well, he told me, he goes, Rick, it works. So I ordered 3 MouseBlocker Pros because I wanted my 41 Ford to be protected.
Yeah.
The van had already been attacked.
Mm-hmm.
And then the Tundra, I mean, they disappeared overnight. I couldn't believe it.
So, Rick, that's awesome to hear that how good MouseBlocker worked for you. Hey, well, thank you for taking the time today and sharing your story, and good luck with your project cars.